Hi Beshies! Good morning and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Andito na ulit ngayon ng inyong ate Jaja. So for today's vlog, andito kami ngayon sa Herrick Lake. It's so beautiful actually, Beshies. Nakikita niyo ba yung mga puno na yan? So sobrang ganda niya. And my boyfriend and I likes to walk and we challenge ourselves every single day to walk at least 10,000 steps. So even sa mall or like yung mga ganitong park, gusto namin to. I actually filmed na earlier but sira na yung sira na yung mic ko and even yung vlog ko nung nakaraan, nadidinig nyo sa audio na sira na siya. So I have to buy a new microphone like this maybe when I get back. So bittersweet. I've had this babe for a very long time though, since I bought the camera. So maybe it's like been with me for 4 years now.
Maybe it could be fixed.
Yeah, let's try later when we get home. But anyway, guys, look at this. What's that sound?
A bird.
Oh, okay. Caw. Anyway, so we're at 1.52 kilometers. And then we're at 4,123 steps, babe. We got this. Why are you laughing at me like that? Anyway, so yun. This is just gonna be a very short vlog, but I also wanted to share with you yung ganda ng place na to. I told my boyfriend that this is my top 1 among all the parks that we've visited, but yung isa kasi maganda yung waterfall Glendon, kaya lang hindi namin napuntahan yung waterfall only because mainit siya, hindi kami nakapag sunscreen and around 9 miles yung lalakarin, so medyo mahirap siya. Anyway, ang ganda dito guys, and it's currently 1:45 na ng tanghali. Yes, tanghaling tapat namin naisip maglakad-lakad. Hindi naman mainit siya, but hindi siya yung parang init sa atin na masakit sa balat. Tsaka malakas pa rin yung hangin niya. Ayun, malamig yung simoy ng hangin, so yun. Anyway, ang ganda dito guys. Hindi yung mga puno, yung mga ibon. It's nice. I should have brought my glasses though. Yung sunglasses. So guys, yung mga dito sa area na to, marami nagpa-bike, marami nagjo-jogging. Siguro kung maaga, tapos mahilig akong tumakbo, then mag-jogging ako. Okay na ako dito sa lakad-lakad. Nakaka-halfway na kami na 5,000 steps na goal. And I'll show you yung lake in a bit. Actually, if you're following me on Instagram, madami dong mga post na story. So, maganda siya guys. Sabi ko kasi sunod kong balik dito, magdadala ako ng mat para maganda What? Para mas maganda mag-picnic. Squirrel, guys. So, guys, pauwi na kami. And, ang dinner namin is hot dog sandwich daw. But I still have leftover rice din sa bahay. At meron pa rin kaldereta kasi nasa baw. So sayang naman if masisira. I mean, nasa ref naman siya. So yun yung rice ko for today. Today is a fun day except sa init. Like the sun. It's very sunny here. Yan. Sobrang maaraw.
How does it feel in my car?
Oh no, so it's too hot.
When you first get in the car?
Yep, too hot. So nakapark kasi siya sa may walang puno, and I was telling him it's like the Philippines hot.
And this is it gets hotter. It gets a lot hotter.
That's what he's saying. This is spring though, you guys. Technically ito yung spring weather nila, but it's hot. Unlike the first few days that I was here, babe, wherein the wind is still, cold a bit. Even if it's sunny, like when you walk, the weather is cold.
That's how it goes. It'll get hot. It'll get hotter. It'll cool off.
Yeah.
That's how the weather is.
I don't like this weather. But let's see, because I'm planning, pag winter naman, just go, let's see if yun naman ang kakayanin ko. But, I don't like this. Actually, pinawisan ako. Pinawisan ako ng very light sa ating lakad. There are other people nga doon sa park na talaga nagsasunbathing pa sila para matan yung skin na lang. So, yun. Not for me. I told him we can just stay at home tomorrow, but let's see what happens. Ako, gusto ko lang ng chicken adobo bukas. I'm gonna cook chicken adobo and mag-bake ako ng banana cake. That's the plan, but let's see if matutuloy siya. Anyway, I feel bad kasi alam ko ayaw niya ng mga ganitong init. Yung mga ganitong araw, alam kong ayaw niya yan eh. Kaya lang kasi gusto niya talaga na makalabas ako or like makapasyal ako. Kaya tinitiis niya yung init. But other than that, alam ko sa sarili ko na stress na siya sa ganitong init, guys. Mas gusto niya palang na magstay sa bahay. Anyway, today's telephone baby.
She's saying nice stuff about me.
I was just telling everyone that I appreciate you because I know you don't like this kind of weather, you know, going out and it's so sunny, but you still try your best to find a place or anything that we can do together, even if it's too bright for you.
It is.
See? I know him, you guys. He likes the gloomy type of rainy weather, but I guess that's our difference. However, I like that difference because, you know, we always meet halfway. We always try to compromise. And this weather is the Philippines. Exactly like the Philippines. But yung sa atin kasi init sa atin is sakit sa buto. This one is just mainit lang siya, but I don't think it would make you even tan yung ganitong araw. Maganda siya if you're into yung mga ice, yung mga Diyos ko, kung mayroong snow sa Pilipinas, ganito yung makikita kong araw. I would like this. But, you know, nasa arawan na ako sa buong Pilipinas. But babe, in the morning, it's cold, right? When you leave for work, right? It's cold.
Yeah, but I mean, in the summer when it's even hotter, it can be warm in the mornings even with the sun. But obviously with no sun it cools off. But it can be pretty stuffy in the morning for sure.
Okay, yeah, because I always check the weather around 4 or 3 a.m. and it's like 15 degrees dito. Malamig. But alam niyo yung normal na lamig. Pero ngayon, oh, you can see how hot it is in the road. Like, oh my God. Too hot.